Hey guys, so I've received the most beautiful PR bag from Nykaa. Let me show you what all I've got in this bag today. Look at these two keychain with the initials of N, that is Nykaa. It's so cute, and the bag altogether is so thoughtful of this PR team. So I'm going to pick random products from this PR bag. The first one, I have got this message from Nykaa of the Pink Friday sale, and most of the luxury brands, they barely make any kind of sale throughout the year. So this is something you guys need to keep an eye on. Second thing I've received is this cute hat from Nykaa which says Napper. Firstly, the color is so cute and it looks so damn gorgeous. I love this color of pink. Absolutely amazing. Now the next product that I've received is the Arencia Fresh Blue Rice Mochi Cleanser. You guys know this product. This brand is viral, especially the mochi cleanser. I had my eyes on this one. It's in my cart right now. I wanted to try it out. I've seen so many interesting videos where people had a lot of foam on their face and they wanted to try. Also, I'm particularly interested because this has green tea which suits my combination skin so well, and also it has rice powder which works so well on my skin to make it brighter and healthier. So definitely I'm going to use this tonight just after this video. So the next product that I've got here is the Minimalist Face Moisturizer with vitamin B12. Now I have tried two products from Minimalist so far. One is the body lotion and the other one is oil-free moisturizer. Both worked really well. So definitely this is something that I'm going to keep my eye on. The next product I've got is from Plum Goodness. This is one brand I really admire and love. Now this is their body lotion which is vanilla caramello, and this I'm going to give to my husband because I'm creating a kind of routine for him where he has skincare and body care. So this is something he's going to keep because I have a lot of body lotions, and this one is going to my husband's vanity because he needs to have a new body lotion in his routine. Now the next product I have received is from L'Oreal. This is their hair growth serum. So if you're someone who's struggling with hair loss and less density, then definitely give this a try because this is going to give you more density, more hairs in a good period. I already have tried an entire bottle of this one and it's amazing. 10 on 10. Definitely give it a try. So the next product I've got is from Biodance. This is their Biocollagen Real Deep Mask. This is how it looks. You guys have seen it everywhere. This is popular. I have not tried it yet. It is something which is in my wish list. I have combination skin, but still my cheeks and the forehead is a bit dry. So I'm going to give this pack a try. Also, this is very affordable. You get it for 380 rupees. Considering the work and the result, what I've heard and I've seen, I think this is a very good buy. This is a steal at 380. So the next product we have is the stainless steel bottle, and let me show you how it looks. Oh my god, look at this color. They have sent me this beautiful bottle so that I can keep a count on my water intake. Good skin starts with what you eat and what you drink. So I'm going to drink more water thanks to Nykaa. I'm going to take this on my walking routine because look at this color, so pretty. Now next up we have this Love Child Masaba blurring lip tint. This is how it looks, and in the shade Hush Brown. It sounds something that is going to suit my skin, and this is how the product looks like. I have heard so much about Love Child by Masaba range, especially their tint are so good. That's what I've heard from so many fellow influencers. So this is something I'm going to try very soon, and I'll tell you guys how it looks on my skin. Now next I've received this lip whip from Faye Beauty. You guys know it's already very popular. This is in the shade Edge and I'm going to try this very soon. This color looks so stunning, especially with the brown lip liner. It's gonna look so good. So next we have this lipstick from Revlon. This is their super lustrous lipstick and this is the shade Rum Raisin. So this is how it looks. The color looks very pretty. Actually, whatever I'm seeing in the lip shades which Nykaa has sent, everything looks brown skin friendly. And this one from Revlon, oldie but goodie. This is going to be in the swatch party very soon. Then we have something that I've tried, tested, loved, and there is no better moisturizer than this one. This is the CeraVe moisturizing cream. You guys know I love this. If in winters you are looking for a cream which is fuss free, you want it to work, this is the moisturizing cream you need in your routine. Then I have this L'Oreal lipstick. This is in the shade Cafe Parisien. I've already tried their Worth It range and it was so good. Then comes last but not the least, this is from Kiro. This is 4-in-1 lipstick and this is the shade called Ultimate Quad. So this is how the shade looks. I've already seen so many people using this shade, loving it, and there are almost 4 shades over here. I'm going to review this also very soon. I'm so excited because I've got 5 lipsticks in my hand in this PR box. I'm so excited to try them.